Configuring Constant Contact SPF, DKIM, and DMARC, Warmy blog. Imagine spending hours crafting the perfect email campaign only for it to end up in the spam folder. Frustrating, right? You're not alone. But don't worry, SPF, DKIM, and DMARC are here to help. SPF is your email's ID, DKIM is its signature, and DMARC is the bouncer ensuring it's legit. All set to increase the email deliverability? Let's explore email authentication and transform your Constant Contact campaigns into inbox-hitting engines. Understanding email authentication protocols. Email authentication methods, SPF, DKIM, and DMARC, are crucial for proving legitimacy and preventing fraud. SPF lists authorized mail servers for your domain. If an email comes from an unlisted server, it may be flagged or rejected. DKIM adds a digital signature to emails, verifying they are from your domain and unaltered during transit. DMARC builds on SPF and DKIM, allowing you to set policies for handling emails that fail authentication, and provides reporting on email performance. Together, these methods enhance email security and help ensure your legitimate emails reach the inbox. For a complete guide on setting up SPF, DKIM, and DMARC for Constant Contact, check out our blog, link is in the description. While SPF, DKIM, and DMARC are essential for email authentication, using email warm-up tools like Warmy.io can further enhance deliverability. Warm-up gradually increases your email volume, building a good sender reputation. Warmy.io offers a free email deliverability test to check spam scores, blacklist status, and authentication setup. Use Warmy.io's free SPF and DMARC record generators to easily create and manage these records. Combine these practices to enhance your email deliverability and reach inboxes more effectively. For more great tools and tips, head over to Warmy.io and don't forget to like and subscribe.